There is one way you can reduce your miner fees when you're doing transactions inside the Shibaswap. So there's one way I want to show you, and I'm doing this video late at night, so the fees should be a little bit lower, but there's a way of how I can check to see if I can get it even at a lower rate, and I'll show you this. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's go ahead and dive into the content. So right now, I'm in the swapping area of the Shibaswap, and let's say I want to go ahead and purchase this Shiba. I'm going to swap Ethereum for Shiba, but as you know, fees will be involved. I do know. But let's go ahead and swap this. And as I go through the process, and I'm using my Coinbase wallet with this transaction. So if I confirm this, it's going to give me an alert, and it says $5.42, which is actually not that bad here at late at night. Normally that's usually about $10, to be honest with you. If I click on this little circle here, right there, a circle or a little bit of a little wrench screw or something like that, if I click on there, I'm going to see a little bit of a lower fee there. So look at this, $4.39 versus $5.42. So basically, just by choosing a slower speed, I can save about close to $1. Now the transaction will still go through, it'll just be at a slower speed when you're checking the fees there. And this works very, very well with the Coinbase wallet. It lets you go ahead and select it very, very easy. So that's one way you can do it. It's just by checking that. Now let me go to another area and do another testing. That's how we will swap. Let's say I was trying to unstake. Let's say I was trying to unstake 25% of my buried SHIB. If I click on unstake, 25%, unstake this, I get the confirmation from my phone. And let's say the miner fees is only $2.30. If I click on this right here, let's see how much the price will be. $1.87. So I'm saving money there. Now you may know this trick already or this option already, but I want to do a video for everybody who just don't know. And sometimes you may know this, but not be using this on an everyday or every transaction basis. Look how much lower that is, $1.87. Now, granted, I am doing this video late at night after 1 o'clock. And also, I'm also looking at what's the best way I can get an affordable fee rate when I'm doing my transactions. Now, I've got a low fee just by unstaking this, and it's probably about the same if I was trying to stake it. Let's check one more area for this to happen. I'm gonna go right to the farm token area when I'm woofing, and let's say I am trying to take this one out. Don't have any plans to take this out right here, the DAI, because I don't think it's high enough, and I don't think the fees will make sense of me taking this out. But let's try it anyway. Confirm on my phone. This is what it looks like on my phone. It's $2.95. If I'm trying to woof this actually transaction, if I click on the circle here, it's going to be a little bit, okay, it's $2.40 versus $2.95. It's still lower. It's still a lower price. And now getting at a slower speed just meaning that it's going to move much slower in terms of completing the transaction. It still will go through. It's just much, much slower. But if you're trying to save a little bit, I will check the slow one. I have no problem waiting if it's going to save me some money here. And so I'm doing this video to help you save money when you're doing your transactions. So number one, look to do it later at night. Usually the fees are automatically lower. And the second thing is, if you are choosing late at night or even anytime during the day, choose this circle when you get to here to see if it's at a lower price at a slower rate. This does work, and I understand how you feel. That's why I'm doing this video, because these fees can definitely add up as well. So I choose 3 different areas, and I find out the fees are lower when I'm choosing the slower option. So go ahead and try that. Take it slow. And if you're doing a transaction during the afternoon or in the evening, it's okay. If that's what you got to do, that's what you got to do. But at least at least choose, let me bring this back up again, at a slower rate. Try the slower rate, because right now this will be $2.95, but I choose a slower rate, it'll be $2.39. That does save you a little money on some fees. I know fees add up after a while. So try this out if you don't know of it, or if you do know of it, just continue trying it out. Not financial advice, but it's just something that I found to be a good strategy to help me, and I want to help you. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching these videos today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I can't wait to see you next time on more Shibaswap tutorials and more stuff. So put in the comments what type of videos you want me to do next. I'll definitely look to doing them to help you out to grow this year, and I can't wait to see you again. I'll see you next time.